everyone, Jama Malmy here, and I wanted to show you how my order from Persnickety Prints came. So I've shown you before what comes in the new scrapbook subscription from Close to My Heart. I have done a walkthrough video of this. Everything comes pre-cut to make two-page layouts. And when you sign up for the annual subscription of our scrapbook kit, it comes with 30 free prints from Persnickety Prints with each of your shipments. So you get a shipment every 4 months, and so every 4 months you get a code for 30 free prints from Persnickety Prints. So this is my second time ordering from them through my promo code. Now you can order more than that like I did. I wanted to show you how it comes packaged and what else I got. I'm not sponsored in any way for this. I'm just showing you just so you know. And how well it's packed, and then some other things that I got besides the 30 free prints. Now you are responsible for shipping, so if you are not in the US, it's going to be probably more than it makes sense to rationalize for the free prints, but it's $5.95 shipping in the US, so it's not too bad. And so this is how my package came, because I ordered some 12 by 12 prints. So that's why it's so big. My last package was not this big. But they offer 12 by 12 prints, which I think is really cool. Because what I'm going to do, and I saw this on the Close to My Heart's blog, is make the 12 by 12 photo the base of my layout. So this is how it comes. It comes really well packaged, very well wrapped in this box, so they're not going to get bent. So there's some offers in here, and this was all taped down so it didn't move. I removed the tape just so it would be easier to show you. And it comes with this protective coating over it. So I have my two 12 by 12 prints here. There's two in here. I'm not going to open it right now. But this is going to be my layout, and then I'm just going to add a title. This was our Christmas card picture, our family picture 2 years ago. And so I'm just going to add my title and a few embellishments, and then that's going to be done. It's only $1.99 for the 12 by 12 layouts or photos. So I thought that was really reasonable and a really cool idea. And then here are the rest of my prints. Come nice and neat in here. Nicely packaged with the Persnickety Prints washi tape. Washi tape on here. And so they're all in here nice and protected. I get the matte finish. So I got some 4x4 prints. They do 4x4. And then I also got some 4x6s. I like the matte finish versus glossy. I just think it looks more professional. So here's all my 4x6 prints, really nice quality, and then some 5x7 prints as well. So that's from Persnickety Prints. You know, it's not the cheapest prints around, besides the 30 free prints. You know, what you pay full price, I think, is 29 cents a print. They have sales every so often, but I just feel like their customer service is really, really good. I had to email them once, and they got back to me super quickly, super on top of it. They hand check all of their prints, make sure that the color quality is good. Their website's easy to use. So I really like the service. I think the photos are very high quality. I really like the matte finish on them. So just wanted to show you how they come, and mainly wanted to show you also the 12 by 12 prints, because those are really cool. The other 12 by 12 print I got is our family picture from this past year. That's just right behind this. So anyways, that's how it comes. If you want to get your 30 free prints, then you can sign up for the annual subscription on my Close to My Heart website, which I'll link below. And with that, you get a kit for each month, and you're billed it all at once, but it comes with all the stickers and die cuts and everything you need to make these two layouts. This is the one for March, which I got the end of December for January, February, March, April. So when you have the 1-year subscription, you get everything early. You can also order just every 4 months and only be billed every 4 months. You can also order monthly if you'd like. The price goes up a little bit for each one, and the free prints only come with the annual subscription. But these kits make it super easy to get some scrapbooking done. I can't wait to do these ones. I think they're super cute. I always change them up a little bit. It's easy to change them up to suit your photos, to add more photos, to embellish a little differently. Whatever you want to do to make it your style, but this gives you a really great jumping off point, and I call it bonus scrapbooking. I think I look at this as my bonus scrapbooking. It makes my scrapbooking come together simple, easy, fast, and it's scrapbooking that I wouldn't necessarily have gotten done if I didn't have these kits. You know, I do love to scrapbook on my own with my own paper, cut everything myself, but these make it so fast that this is my bonus scrapbooking, and so I love that. So it works for all levels of scrapbookers. If you like doing your own scrapbooking too, then that's great, and this could be your bonus scrapbooking. So anyways, that is all. Just wanted to pop in quickly and show you those couple things. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot and have a great day.